I have a new slushy machine from EcoViva. I've actually had this one for a few weeks and I've used it several different times. And right now it's a little fogged up since I just cleaned it from last night's usage. So let me go ahead and show you a little bit of the machine, show you some of the things that it can do, and then I will demonstrate making a slushy with something. Now when you plug it in, you're going to see where it's going to have the flashing power button. Go ahead and press that, and then it's going to give you all your different modes that you can use. Now I haven't tried all of them, but you have slushy, you got frappe, you got milkshake, you got you got spiked slushy, you got wine, and then you got your clean mode. We have done slushies. We have tried the milkshake. It did okay. And we did try a frappe. That one struggled a little bit. Now this machine is really easy to take apart and to also clean. This whole chamber comes off along with your little mixer blade here. And then this is the unit that's going to get really cold while it's turned on. And then you do have a removable tray right here. Put this on, lock it down, and then all we got to do is put in our liquid, choose whatever mode you want to use, turn it on, and that's it. Now since it is the weekend, I'm going to make one of my daughter's favorites, which is a Dr. Pepper slushie. And then I'm going to surprise them with this, with a movie night. So all we got to do is put our liquid in. Now I usually put a little bit of liquid in first, and then I will go ahead and turn it on. And we're going to hit the slushy mode. You can do your thickness that you want as well. And well, I'll start it at the lowest thickness. That way I can show you gradual. And we'll hit play. And this has a maximum of 64 ounces, and you need a minimum of 16. And then depending on the liquid that you choose, the thickness will depend on how long it's going to take. But give it 15 to 30 minutes. You can actually see where it starts icing pretty rapidly. And it will get thicker and thicker. Now I didn't have it turned on, but this is what it looks like for the lowest setting. And then it will say cool when it is ready, and it will beep. And of course, if that's not thick enough for you, you can turn it up and you can go thicker and thicker. I forgot to show there is a little drip pan. Use it. And for me, I don't know, I like it that thick. Anyway, it works pretty well. You can do a lot of different stuff with it. It makes great slushies really quick. You can do milkshakes. Maybe I'll do another milkshake here pretty soon. But just in time to get you one for summer. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.